Hello traders, we got a lot to go over for this July 14th, 2015. Okay, it's around 9:45 right now, and we're gonna go over some charts as I promised in my video. And this is the video with the charts. So I do two sets of video. It's the video the way I speak to you guys, and then this is my chart videos. All right. So first off on the list, I'm not gonna talk about Netflix right now. That's a whole nother topic. We're gonna talk about some of the stocks that you guys wanted me to go over. And first one is BOJAngles. I think the ticker symbol is BOJA, 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 BOJAngles. BOJAngles is another stock that just IPO'd not too long ago. As you can see, back in May, it IPO'd back here. And when you look at BOJAngles, what I always say is I don't like trading stocks. I don't like trading stocks that recently IPO'd. All right. So the reason is that I got burned in a few of them, a while back when I didn't know what I was doing, and I learned a lesson with IPOs. If an IPO open, it pops to the low and it gets running, yeah, that's the perfect time to take the trade at that low. All right. And the first move it make, I exit that stock. But looking at this stock right here, BOJAngles, as you can see, there's not enough to tell me anything. All right, I have moving average sitting right here, and the stock opened and it went right through it right here. All right, okay, so the stock really didn't do anything besides the initial move from the time it IPO'd and this pullback. There was traders were waiting on this pullback, like I just said before, waiting to buy it right here. And as soon as it made this move, they exited. Most of them exited. All right, and the stock price here. Well, the smart guys exited, all right? Most people who look at the stock right here, you would say, oh, yeah, you know what, BOJAngles is a good company to buy. I don't know. Maybe it is. But on my chart, I'm not ready to buy it right now. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to go into a 4-hour chart and see what I can peek and see. All right, 4-hour chart don't look too bad. All right, as you can see right here, price can hold. This is the two legs up you just saw me explain on the highly chart. On the higher hour chart, which was the monthly chart. And you can see right here, BOJAngles price came into this 200-day moving average. It went below my 20-day moving average. And 50-day moving average just started right here, and it went right through it. Went to the 200-day moving average, went right through it. Couldn't hold, couldn't find support anywhere. So right now, the stock is just trying to find, a place to start off from. Okay, that's what I'm looking at BOJAngles right now. So as you can see right here, price is sitting right here on this 20-day moving average. And what can I throw in here? Can I throw a fib? I can't even throw a fib. Maybe I can throw a fib on here. All right, I'm gonna throw a fib on here for you guys to see what I get. I'm gonna do a fib. Those of you guys, you know what? I'm gonna bring the fib all the way down to the low. All right. I know you're not supposed to draw it like that. Quiet. Trust me. So we're gonna do it right here. As you can see, from the initial open, from where the stock went, it hit a high of $28.45. Right here, inside this box right here, is where I was. If I was trading the stock, I was looking for the stock to continue right here. So I would not take a trade right here. My trade would actually come in at this 25.87. After closing of 25.87 is where I would actually take a trade at. And since price couldn't hold, it touched it, right here. It went through, my price target right here, and it just couldn't hold. It came right back down the next day. So my personal takes on BOJAngles is that, I would wait to see what the stock does. Those of you guys who are aggressive traders who traded intraday, would use an hourly chart, and you would probably get the same thing as the hourly chart. As you can see here, price is not crossing over. So I just told you that, before I even click the charts over to the 1-hour chart. As you can see right here, it didn't cross over yet. All right, and my levels are still intact. But I'm gonna go back to the 4-hour chart. Better yet, let me go back to the day chart, and I'm gonna do even a trend line from this high right here. Okay, this was the high. You know what? Let's call this a fake high. Let me see if I could angle it down from here. And if I do it from here, nah, this is no good. Okay, this is from the initial move, but from this move right here, let's catch it right here. All right. Okay, onto this low right here. All right. Okay, from here, to the bottom of this low. Okay, this is the triangle I have. This is the little. This is exactly what I'm looking at on BOJAngles. Now, you know what? Is it gonna continue coming down here? As you can see, buyers are buying it up down here. Buyers are buying it up. Not even that much volume. There's not that much volume in BOJAngles. But when I'm looking at right here, buyers are buying it up. And we need to see this action go up here. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to go to a lower time frame. I'm taking a little bit more time on this video because this is a stock with no technicals. No technicals mean, you know what, I got to take a little bit longer time to look at it. All right. So when you look at BOJAngles right here on a 4-hour chart, I need somewhere in this box for this to break outside of this box and start heading up here towards this 50-day moving average, towards this 200-day moving average. All right. So the aggressive guys who are trading the hourly chart, you're going to look at the same box, but just that, we are longer extended inside this box. So I need to get out this box to see where this BOJAngles go. All right. So those of you guys who wanted me to go over BOJAngles, I hope this is kind of clear for you guys. Okay. And why, I take trades and don't take trades. So looking at BOJAngles, I'm going to go back to the 4-hour chart. As you can see right here, I need the price. And, just looking at it, common sense wise, price look like it's going to play in here, for the next couple of days. All right. Maybe going into next week, price is going to play here. So I'm looking at this going all the way until Wednesday, even Thursday of next week, before this thing does anything. All right. From what I'm looking at. All right. Momentum right here. You see momentum cross to the upside right here, but price action has not. Momentum look like it might pull back down. All right. It's below my zero line. MACD's below my zero line. Negative 54. So, everything's to the downside, but you're looking for it to break right here. So this is what you're looking for it to break. So if it can close, at this 24.36, you're looking for, for it to continue. But personally, I would not be trading BOJAngles until it reached my levels up here at 25.87. At that time, I can expect it to go try and test this high, this first high right here, which is about, what is this, 28.35, and then the 28.45 is right above it. So before even that right here is actually 28.17, 28.19. So I hope, this helped you guys out on BOJAngles. I would wait before I even get in BOJAngles. So, any other, questions, details, any other thing, please send me the email, the number 3, the letter D, consultme@gmail.com. Peace.